Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a while. I do apologize, guys, but as you can see from here, the title that I'll be doing, simple cute little short nail art. Okay, this was requested from my client, so I just decided, so why not just, bring you guys along. Okay guys, so there is a specific way or method in which you buff the press-on nail to make it look perfect when it's on the finger. Be in a good shape, because the way it looks now, even when it looks like it's perfectly fine when you buff it, is not gonna be the way that it will look when it's on the finger. So you got to know how to judge and how to also buff the nail properly. So as you see, we're starting from the bottom part of the nail or buffing it across. So you want it to be straight. That's the most simple part. So, I mean, you even do that when you're not doing press-on nails. And then I go ahead and do the sides. Start with the right, the left. Guys, also, when you're buffing the left and the right or vice versa, you just want to ensure that you're doing them together and not one at a time, like the right whole time and then you go ahead to the left. No, you want it to be in the center, because sometimes you can buff the left more than the right. So it's best to always do. As you can see, I'm doing underneath the nail. I just did that a while ago. So be sure to do underneath the nail when you're buffing it, not only the sides but underneath. There you go, I'm doing it again right there. So guys, please do enjoy this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every single time I post. So guys, as you see again, I'm buffing the right side. Now I'm going underneath and buffing. Right. So guys, please do enjoy the video. Okay guys, here, see, I am kind of brushing out the brush or smoothing it out flat. I'm spraying alcohol on it because that is okay guys, in order for you to preserve your brush, this is number 10 by the way, and in order to preserve your brush, it's best to, after you finish applying acrylic and so forth, finish with the acrylic liquid, you go ahead and you dip it in the brush, and after doing so, you put some it's either cuticle oil or mineral oil, to help to keep the brush in perfect form. Even when using it, you will still feel brand new. And as you can see at the beginning, I also flat out the brush as well. So guys, I am dipping liquid, the brush inside the liquid, sorry, and I'm tapping 3 times specifically. Now you don't want to have too much liquid. You don't want it to be too much. Take your time and I go ahead and I swipe. So I don't wait too long to brush it down. I go ahead and I dip the brush inside the acrylic, tap it 3 times, and then I go ahead and apply it, and I don't wait too long. um, to brush it down. As you can see, I also, while applying the acrylic, be sure to shape the nail as well. So you see I'm doing the sides as well. Yeah, I want to keep it in the same form as it is with the nail. So in order to do that while you're applying the nail, the acrylic to the nail, you go ahead and shape it afterwards. It even makes your life much more easier when it's time to buff it or to drill it, depends. Okay guys, after you apply the color acrylic, you go ahead and encapsulate with clear acrylic powder. This just prevents the actual color acrylic from being damaged or anything like that when you're in the buffing process actually. You know, whether you're buffing or you're drilling nail, yeah. So encapsulating is very important. Okay, so now we are in the buffing process, and guys, you can use a drill. It's actually very common to use. Actually, I do use it, but I don't know. I use it most of the time when I'm actually doing someone's nail. So, like a press on, no, I don't really do it. But if anytime you guys want a video with me using the drill while doing press on, just let me know. But guys, I don't know. I think I'm a little old school. I don't know. The buffer works perfect for me. Like, I don't know. It's just for me. I don't know what to say. Oh my god, I'm just repeating myself. But still, the buffer it's easy to work with, and eventually, you know, guys, regardless, even when you use the drill, you still have to use the buffer to do the sides. So yeah, and it works perfectly with person as well because I also have to do, as you, I don't know if you realized previously, but at the top part of the nail, you know, where it would be on the cuticle area, I have to shape it as well, you know, to give it that curve look. Because if it was actually on the finger, we would have to use the drill to do the shaping. But seeing that that's not the case, can go ahead and just shape it with the buffer right away. So yeah. Guys, I am so sorry. I don't know what happened here. I thought I was recording my art, but not much showing right here. So guys, I do apologize for that. So guys, as you can see, I did the two yellows first, just to prevent me from using the same color twice. So just use it once, and then I go ahead and use the other color. So here I'm using the blue. Guys, I love this blue. I love it so much. This baby blue is so beautiful. I love it. Guys, I am completely annoyed and upset right now. I cannot believe that so much of this clip, you can barely see what I'm doing here. I apologize 100%, guys. I promise you this won't happen again. I'll be sure, to double check to ensure that it didn't move by any chance. Oh my gosh. Guys, I apologize once more. This won't happen again, but the reason I'm posting is because I know it's been a while and I just wanted you guys to see this nail art, even though it's a short one. But not to worry, the next one, trust me, guys. And please remember, if there is any nail art you'd like for me to do, just comment down below, so further ado, guys, I just want you guys to see the end result because I am very upset with myself right now. And there you have it, guys, my simple cute short little nail art. I hope you like it. Guys, give me a comment, let me know what you think about this art. Don't forget to also like and subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications, guys, so that you can be notified every single time I post. So guys, take care, love you.